In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your survivor.io account. So the delete option has been removed after the update. In this present update of the Survivor app, there is no delete option in the settings as you can see here. So in order for you to delete your account in survivor.io, we need to contact directly their contact support by clicking this feedback button in the settings interface. Once you click this, you will see the save issues, purchase issues, network issues, and lastly is the contact us. I want you to click this contact us, and then you will describe the issue regarding the deletion of your account. So just type in that you want to delete your account. And also make sure that you have copied your hobby ID here that you are using in your survivor.io account. And just enter your email here and then click the submit button and then you're done. Just wait for the process to be finished and confirmed by survivor.io support team, and that's it. That's how you can delete your survivor.io account, and thank you for listening.